Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete messages on Bumble. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bumble application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed into your account, from the main homepage of Bumble, go ahead and tap on the chat bubble at the bottom right corner. Bumble doesn't offer a direct delete message features. So, if you want to erase a conversation, unmatching with someone is the most effective way. Simply go ahead and open up a conversation from your chat page. Once you're inside the conversation, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. In the pop-up, tap on Unmatch. Confirm unmatching with the person by tapping on Unmatch once again, and you will be able to delete a conversation or a message on Bumble. Once you unmatch with the person, the conversation will simply disappear. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.